To use GoToMeeting or GoToWebinar on Facebook Live, first of all, you will need the OBS system, which we have right here, OBS Studio. We'll put a link in there for you for that, and I'll show you that in a second. But then you need to go, obviously, into Facebook, and you need to go to do a live show. So you go into your page, right? This is my page. Don't mind the picture. It's just me wearing a mask. But then you want to go to your, you want to do a live video. So you'd click here on live video. You'll have different options to do things at. I'm going to, if you want to share in your timeline, right now I'm sharing only as myself because this is just a test. But for the public to see, you'd want to go and click on public. So you'd want to click on that to make sure that everyone can see when you're going live. I'm going to go back again to only me so that no one else can see that. Now, after that's being said, so that's there, right? You need to go into what we call the OBS Studio. Down here, OBS Studio, OBS Studio. So this is the OBS Studio right here, right? You know, this is what it'll look like. Go back into Facebook Live, and you want to use key stream or use stream key. So you hit that, right? You'll see right here it says stream key. You're going to want to copy that. Highlight it and copy it. And again, you can put your title, your video here. You can say something about it. You can enable all likes and all the other stuff. But that's what you want to do. Use stream key. Get your key here. Then we're going to go back into OBS Studio. So in OBS Studio, you're going to want to go into File. Then you're going to want to go into Settings. In your settings, you're going to want to go into Streaming. So in your stream, you'll see up here it says Service. You could go to Twitch, YouTube, any one of these right here, right? We're going to go to Facebook Live. And then when it says Server, you go to Default. So that's fine. And then in your stream key here, now this is normally blank, but I had something there before. So you make sure that it's blank, because it normally is blank. So you want to then go get into there, right click, and paste that key in there. Once you paste that key in there, that stream key that you took from live, that you took from Facebook, that you took from right here, that you took from here, this stream key, you then put it in there and you hit apply and OK. So now we'll go back to Facebook, right? So now we should be hooked up there. We should be ready to go. So then you have to go to your GoToMeeting. You want to find whatever meeting you're going to have, your thing. We'll just go to Robert Smetana as a test. And the other session, yes. Okay, we're ready. So we don't have a camera in here, right? But we are in a GoToMeeting. Somewhere. There we are. So we're in that right now. So now we got that going. We have our meeting going, right? Which is going to be on this screen. So you go back to Facebook. You got that there. Now you go back into your OBS. You want to hit Start Streaming. You want to stream this? Yes. So now it is streaming to Facebook. See how the Go Live right there popped up? Once you hit the Start Streaming, you can now go live, and you are now live on Facebook. So now, if you look here at the little live thing here, it's showing you live. This is what the live video is. Now it's got a little delay, but here is a Facebook live video. This is what they are seeing on Facebook. So if we lower the Facebook, right, and we bring up the webinar to this screen, now you will see that they're going to watch whatever is the webinar. So this is what you are now seeing right here. This is what you are seeing on Facebook Whatever is on this screen over here is what you will see streaming on Facebook. So if we go down to here, you'll see this. This is what's streaming on Facebook right now, if that makes any sense. And to stop streaming, all you do is go back to your OBS and you hit stop streaming. That now ends the stream. Facebook Live is done, and you go move on. We'll recap it. You need to go to a webinar, so you need to get into a webinar meeting, whatever meeting that is. You need the OBS, which is this free download right here. You'll need a Facebook account, and that's really about it. That's what you need. Hope this makes sense.